Hi friends, I am Eren Caner, also owner of kriptosozluktv Turkish YouTube channel. This is my new channel. What you're gonna find here? You're able to find only English videos here. Anyway, here I'm gonna publish videos regularly like my Turkish one. By the way, I am also a digital brand strategist. That's why I indeed enjoy to talk about the new technologies like blockchain, Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies with this perspective. Which means you will not only be finding blockchain, Bitcoin, altcoin, analyze market situation, are we going down or are we going up, bear market, bull market, something like that. But also you're gonna find IoT, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, ideas for the future with blockchain core. I believe that the fourth industrial revolution will develop around the blockchain. Anyway, today in this first video I want to explain you what Bitcoin is and its major features. Don't hesitate to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Friends, Bitcoin is a digital currency that was created in 2009 by someone or something called Satoshi Nakamoto and brought a new approach to the digital world called decentralization, as you know. Bitcoin is the most expensive cryptocurrency currently right now, and maybe Bitcoin is the most real currency all over the world. Look at it. Possible. What do you think about it? Let me know, please. Many years ago, Bitcoin was about only 5 cents. Can you believe it? Now its value is $6,500. Can you believe that really? It's a unique coin? What do you think about it? I think certainly no. There are many coins doing whatever Bitcoin is doing actually. However, is there another coin exchangeable for 6,500 USD? No, absolutely not. This is the Bitcoin. Bitcoins aren't printed like dollars or euros. It's totally digital currency. It's producing by computers all around the world using ASIC machines nowadays. I will explain more what Bitcoin mining means later on. Okay, on the other hand, Bitcoin has some major features. Let's talk about it. One of them is security. Answer me, please answer me. What happens when you make shop online? You are using 256-bit encryption, right? For your credit card. So guess it, who is using the most encrypted technology in the world? Let me know, please write below. NASA is using 3000 encryption technology right now. What about Bitcoin? What about Bitcoin? Bitcoin is using 4000 encryption technology. Don't forget that Bitcoin is powered by blockchain. Blockchain is powered by human. Anyway, the second feature of Bitcoin is equality, friends. Whole people in the world can reach to Bitcoin without country borders, and people who live in developing countries like Turkey, Ukraine get a chance to get a paid thanks to Bitcoin. Namely, even if you are living in Nigeria or somewhere like that, you can easily make a business with the bigger countries. All you need is making business, showing your ability. This is your task actually. The payment process is easy anymore thanks to Bitcoin. The third one of Bitcoin feature is cheapness. Sending money with Bitcoin is very cheap, friends. Let's compare it right now. Every year people are making money transfer for $1.3 trillion. So do you guess transfer fee for this kind of money? Please believe me. The fee is between 5% and 3%, like that. Who are making this money? Who are making this money? Banks, transfer office, Western Unions, PayPal, blah blah blah. You are hardworking for making money, right? No matter this is less or more. When you want to transfer your money, people say, hey, you need to pay 10% for this transfer. Blah blah blah. I think this is shit. I'm gonna give you an example from Bitcoin. Someone has transferred his $174 million in Bitcoin from Japan to China for $1. Can you believe that? Yes, only for $1. Cryptocurrency is our future, obviously. The last one is speed, friends. You can send your money from any account to another account in 24 hours if two of them are under the same bank. This is important because they are using the same network. Think about the money. All people are using the same network for this money all over the world. So do we need to talk about any border? absolutely no. We are talking about the fastest money transfer all over the world. In the cryptocurrency world, there is no working time, there is no border. Sending Bitcoin to someone near me or to someone who is living in another country are totally same. Are totally same thing and the same effort. This is it. This is Bitcoin. Friends, finally, in the first video, I told something about me, something about the feature of Crypto Dictionary channel and Bitcoin's major features. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Easy to support me. Take care. Bye bye.